Preparation. Get a tire pressure gauge and know the correct tire pressures for each type of vehicle. Inspect your vehicle every day before driving. Check for lube oil, tire pressure, engine oil, and radiant water. Clean windows, headlights, taillights, and windscreen, etc. Tire pressures must be set to the manufacturer's recommended pressures. Do not reduce tire pressure to compensate for ambient temperature. If you must reduce tire pressure to travel through soft sand area, re-inflate when you get back on the graveled or asphalted road. Soft tire flexes more than correctly inflated tires and generates higher tire wall temperature, which can lead to puncture or tire burst. Obey the speed limits on streets as well as on highways. Do not violate signal lights. It is against traffic regulations. Do not exceed speed limit of 45 km per hour, as posted on sandy roads or diversions roads. Remember, it takes longer to stop on sandy road or on graveled road than that on dry pavement. Always wear your seat belt. A seat belt can save your life and prevent serious injuries. Do not attempt to overtake on a single-track road where you cannot see enough clearance ahead to allow safe passage. Do not cause other vehicle to alter the course or speed. Do not make third lane on double-track road. Check side view mirrors and shoulder before attempting to change the lane. Give signals whenever intend to change the lane or where it can help the other road users. Signaling do not give you privilege to change the lane without ensuring the safety of fellow road users. Please like, share, and subscribe for more safety knowledge.